You will most frequently encounter the XDF extension as a TunerPro binary definition file or as an Adobe XML data file. This format functions as either a precise digital map for tuning automotive engines or as a standardized container for structured form data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are remapping a car's fuel injectors or processing complex corporate data sets. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful XDF troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. In the automotive performance world, the XDF format is a definition file used by TunerPro. It acts as a translation layer that tells the software how to interpret the raw binary data bin from a vehicle's engine control unit, ECU. Without it, the car's logic looks like random numbers. With it, those numbers become readable tables for spark advance and fuel ratios. In the document management world, Adobe uses the extension for XML data files, which store the specific information entered into interactive PDF forms, allowing data to be exported and imported across different database systems. Automotive XDF files are governed by a memory address mapping protocol, where each entry in the file defines the exact offset, location, and bitmask size of a specific engine parameter within the ECU's firmware. Adobe XDF files follow a standardized XML schema, utilizing hierarchical tags to encapsulate form field names and their corresponding values, ensuring that data remains structured and searchable regardless of the platform used to view the original PDF. The standard opener for XDF is known to be OS2 developed by IBM. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. Your reliable first move is the Open With command. Right-click the XDF file and select Open With. If OS2 is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. When an XDF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The highly specific nature of the XDF file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, pinpointing the source context. Distinguish these by the folder environment. If the file is in a directory with names like obdi, ECU, or tuning, it is an automotive definition file. If it is located in a forms or database folder and contains text-readable XML tags, it is an Adobe data file. You can verify a TunerPro file by opening it in a text editor. Look for the XDF header followed by table or parameter definitions. Adobe files will clearly lead with OR. Next, implementation and analysis. To tune a vehicle, you must load the XDF file into TunerPro alongside the car's .bin file. The software will then decipher the binary into adjustable graphs. For Adobe files, you typically import data into a compatible PDF form to automatically fill out fields. Note that .xdf tuning files are extremely specific to the ECU's hardware ID and software ID. Using the wrong definition file can lead to incorrect tuning changes that could potentially damage an engine. Finally, fixing checksum and parsing errors. If TunerPro shows garbage data or values that make no sense, like an idle speed of 50,000 RPM, the XDF offset is likely mismatched for that specific firmware version. You must find a definition file that matches your ECU's OS ID exactly. For Adobe users, if a form fails to import an .xdf file, the XML schema might be malformed, often caused by special characters in the data fields. Opening the file in a basic text editor and removing non-standard symbols or fixing unclosed tags will usually allow the import to succeed. When every program rejects your XDF file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the XDF content is a massive time saver. Visit filemagick.com to download now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Your time watching is highly valued.